Welcome back to Car Flash Drive, where we take you deeper into the world of the latest cars features, performance, design, and everything in between. Today, we're getting behind the wheel of the 2026 Acura MDX, a luxury midsize SUV that continues to make waves with its balance of sophistication, sportiness, and everyday practicality. As it glides into view, the 2026 Acura MDX immediately grabs attention with its commanding presence. The updated styling keeps its bold character intact, but with enough refinement to feel fresh. The front fascia features a more sculpted diamond pentagon grille that now integrates seamlessly with Acura's updated LED chicane headlights. Those headlights are sleeker, more aggressive, and fitted with adaptive lighting technology that adjusts brightness and angle based on speed and steering input. Sitting just below the headlights, redesigned fog lamps are housed within sharper, more aerodynamic cutouts that enhance both the look and airflow efficiency. The hood features subtle yet muscular lines that give off a sense of tension, like it's ready to pounce. Moving to the side profile, the 2026 MDX continues with its long, sculpted body that perfectly balances elegance with sportiness. The roofline flows gently from front to rear, with a hint of coupe-like motion, yet remains upright enough to preserve headroom and cargo space. The shoulder lines are tighter this year, accentuating the vehicle's athletic stance, while chrome accents along the window line and body-colored side mirrors offer a tasteful hint of luxury. Acura now offers several new wheel designs for the MDX, ranging from 19-inch alloys to the stunning 21-inch shark gray split 5-spoke wheels on the Type S trim. These wheels fill the arches beautifully and complement the upgraded Brembo front brakes with red painted calipers, a signature detail for performance lovers. At the back, the 2026 MDX finishes strong with a clean, upscale design. Slim, full-width LED taillights mirror the front's chicane lighting signature, giving it a symmetrical and modern aesthetic. The power liftgate has a hands-free opening function, and the Type S model adds quad exhaust tips neatly tucked beneath a gloss black diffuser. Acura's badge sits prominently at the center, and subtle MDX and SH-AWD badging complete the look with a touch of performance pedigree. Now let's step into detail, because this is where the MDX really shines as a luxury contender. The cabin is a refined space blending high-end materials with driver-focused tech. Premium trims use open-pore wood, brushed aluminum, Milano leather, and even ultra-SH-AWD inserts depending on the configuration. It's clear that Acura didn't just want to make the MDX feel expensive, they wanted it to feel crafted. The 2026 MDX comes standard with a 12.3-inch precision cockpit digital gauge cluster and a matching 12.3-inch center display screen controlled by Acura's True Touchpad interface. While the touchpad may still take a bit of getting used to, Acura has refined its responsiveness and customization. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are standard, along with Amazon Alexa integration, and all trims now offer built-in Google apps like Maps and Assistant. Sound is handled by a premium ELS Studio audio system, with up to 25 speakers on the Type S Advance model, including speakers built into the headrests for an immersive surround experience. Climate controls are physical, tactile, and intuitively placed, something we're glad Acura hasn't abandoned in favor of full-screen madness. Comfort in the MDX is outstanding. Front seats are 16-way power adjustable with massage functions on upper trims. Second-row passengers enjoy generous legroom, and the center seat can fold down or be removed to convert it into captain's chairs. The third row, while better suited for kids or shorter adults, now offers USB-C ports and improved entry and exit with one-touch sliding second-row seats. Cargo space is excellent for the class, with over 95 cubic feet available with both rear rows folded flat. A hands-free tailgate, hidden underfloor storage, and adjustable cargo modes make the MDX highly practical for families or travelers alike. Under the hood, the 2026 MDX offers two powertrain options. The standard engine remains a 3.5-liter V6 producing 290 horsepower and 267 pound-feet of torque, paired with a smooth shifting 10-speed automatic transmission. It's a proven combination of responsive, quiet, and well-suited for everyday driving. Front-wheel drive is standard, but most buyers will opt for Acura's super handling all-wheel drive system, which has been refined to respond quicker and more precisely in slippery conditions or dynamic cornering. But for those craving more excitement, The MDX Type S is where the magic happens. Powered by a 3.0-liter turbocharged V6 producing 355 horsepower and 354 pound-feet of torque, this version is quicker, reaching 60 miles per hour in under 5.5 seconds. But speed isn't the only story. The Type S benefits from adaptive air suspension, active dampers, and a sportier tuning across the board. Acura has managed to make a three-row SUV feel composed, agile, and genuinely fun to drive on twisty roads. Steering is sharp and well-weighted, road noise is minimal, and body roll is impressively controlled thanks to the new active chassis system. Drive modes include Normal, Comfort, Snow, Sport, and Sport Plus, each adjusting throttle response, suspension stiffness, steering feedback, and even engine sound. And yes, that exhaust note is real, not piped in. Fuel economy varies depending on the trim and drivetrain. The base MDX with FWD gets around 22 miles per gallon combined, while the SH-AWD and Type S trim bring that figure slightly lower, averaging about 20 miles per gallon combined. Acura has hinted at future electrification for the MDX, possibly a hybrid variant by 2027, but for now it remains a gas-only offering. When it comes to safety, the 2026 MDX is loaded. Every model comes standard with Acura Watch, the brand suite of advanced driver assistance technologies. This includes adaptive cruise control, traffic jam assist, blind spot information, lane keeping assist, forward collision warning with automatic emergency braking, and pedestrian detection. A surround view camera system and low-speed braking control are available on upper trims, enhancing maneuverability in tight spots. As for pricing, the 2026 Acura MDX starts at around $52,000 for the base model and goes up to about $74,000 for the fully loaded Type S Advance. It's priced competitively against rivals like the Lexus RX, BMW X5, and Audi Q7, while offering a compelling blend of features, style, and driving dynamics. Acura also includes complimentary scheduled maintenance for the first 2 years or 24,000 miles, which is a nice bonus. The 2026 MDX strikes a rare balance. It's a family SUV that doesn't feel like a compromise. Whether you're drawn to the luxurious cabin, the dynamic Type S performance, or the high-tech practicality it offers, this is an SUV that delivers in nearly every category. Acura has refined the MDX into something more premium, more confident, and more desirable without forgetting its roots in value and reliability. So if you're looking for a midsize SUV that won't blend into the crowd but won't break the bank either, the 2026 Acura MDX might just be your perfect match. Thanks for riding with us today on Car Flash Drive. If you enjoyed this review, give us a like, subscribe for more detailed car breakdowns, and drop a comment below. What do you think of the 2026 MDX? Would you take the Type S or stick with the classic V6? Until next time, keep your engine running and your wheels turning.